I was at home last night. I was all alone, long about at 12 o'clock. My baby come pulling in home. Now, baby, what kind of sin is that? Baby, what kind of sin is that? I mean, what kind of sin is that that you bringing here in my home? Now, I could not sleep the balance of the night. The scent you brought in, it didn't smell just right. Now, baby, what kind of scent is that? Baby, what kind of scent is that? Baby, what kind of scent is that that you bringing here in my home? Now she try to make like it's something we've been frying. She need to come with that junk. Says she knows she's lying. Baby, what kind of scent is that? Baby, what kind of scent is that? Baby, what kind of scent is that that you bringing here in my home? Now when she come in, she was squeezing her hand. I believe she been off doing a job for another man. Baby, what kind of scent is that? Baby, what kind of scent is that? Baby, what kind of scent is that that you bringing here in my home? Now you come dragging in. It was about 12:30. If I do right, baby, I'd take a stick and I would give you hell. 'Cause what kind of scent is that? Baby, what kind of scent is that? Baby, what kind of scent is that that you bringing here in my home?